Frog, frog, come here, frog. Hello. How are you today? I'm fine, frog. Thank you, teacher, for your answer. And boys and girls, how are you today? Okay, first, exercise. Okay, what exercise, Mr. Frog? Okay, look up, look down, look to right, look to left, and jump again. Jump 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. You know, teacher, me. Okay, you don't worry. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now open your mouth, close your mouth, and sleep. No, Mr. Frog, no sleep. Mr. Start the class. Okay, now today is Mr. Frog Wednesday, May 2020. Topic 4. Perform. Very good. Okay, we start. This is the activity for today. You have this, excuse me, Mr. Here. Complete the sentences. Okay, we have this exercise and we need to answer that. You have the list of sport. Okay, teacher. Soccer. Yes, go. Surfing. Swimming. Okay. Basketball. Yeah. Volleyball. Okay. And tennis. Very good, Mr. Frog. Okay. We need to write the correct sport according that these sentences. We start. A wetsuit and longboard are needed for. Oh, it's very easy because wetsuit ya lo vimos and longboard ya lo vimos. Look. And this is surfing. Very good, Mr. Frog. Excellent. And now, a swimming suit and a cap are needed for. Oh, this is very easy too. Move this. I'm so sorry. Okay, move. And answer, please. The swimming suit and cap to swimming. Very good. Okay. You need to throw the ball into a hoop to score in. Basketball. Basketball. And you need to kick a ball into a net to score it. Oh yes, it's soccer. Oh, very good. Soccer. Do you understand, Frog? Ay, Frog, ¿por qué no me preguntas? Oye, tú sí. Mira, este ya era fácil, tú dijiste que era fácil. Wetsuit and longboard, look, this is surfing. Swimming sweet. See? Yes. And cat? Yes. It's very easy. And this is difficult. Okay, through a ball, this is a ball, into the hoops to score, para apuntar, para dar un punto, ¿ok? Ah, yes, basketball. Vamos bien, profe. Yo creo. You need to kick, patear the ball into the net. Net, remember que ya lo habíamos visto. Net, to score, para apuntar, para dar un punto. Yes, is soccer. A ball is hit, pero este es hit over a net. Over. Remember? Yo les había explicado in, on, under, yes, over. Yes, teacher. Again, look, in, frog, out. Okay, in, out, under, and over, on, I think, over, the net with a racket in is the racket and ball over the net, over is tennis. And the last, a ball is hit over a net, lo mismo, is over a net with hands. And this is volleyball. Muy bien, Frog. And this is the activity for today, please. You copy in your notebook these 6 sentences, okay, about the sport and the use of the verb need. Okay, and this is the exercise for today. Bye, my students. Bye, my students. Remember, up, down, look the right, left, and bye, frog. Para que les enseñes a los niños a